So
check
this
and see
is
if we have any
a
comments.
Mountain Aire, and this is a 4551. There you go. Again, here's your show price on this one, $764,503. We've stepped back up a little bit, going to the Mountain Aire, right back to the tag axle. It does have the two, I believe they're Girard awnings. They're in right now. Of course, all frameless glass. And you can see the stairs that come out there. So this one is built on the Spartan chassis. So far, it seems like the tag axles are Spartan chassis and the single axles are on the Freightliner.
It seems that way.
So you do have cabinetry up front. There's also, that's a TV right there behind Lisa's head. There's some more cabinetry to the right. And this looks, at least this area, very similar to the two London Aires we were in, right? You've got your kitchen here. Of course, this is the 70/30 sink. Cabinetry, real dark, rich wood, Whirlpool microwave, induction cooktop. You've got your dishwasher down there, right? Look at that. How many remotes does one need? Well, with this coach, you need a lot.
It totally depends on how many TVs you have.
That's a pull-out cutting board, probably.
There's got to be a trick to it.
Yeah, probably push.
Probably push.
Who knows?
Yeah.
But it comes out somehow. Probably one of the remotes.
Ah, that could be.
So if we're backing up, you got your sofa here. Your TV is right there, but this is down. So we've seen them up a couple times, but this is what it looks like when it's down, when you don't want to watch it. Very cool looking, artsy sort of light sconces.
Yeah, I like those.
Fabric backing, which is cool. And you've got all your cabinetry above, of course. And then across from that, you have your, well, I'll call it your custom recliners here. Look at this. Oh, God, these are so comfortable.
I know.
USB charging ports. This is neat. Come look real close, Lisa. I want you to see this. It's sort of just a circle. And so when you push to the back, it goes in. When you push to the front, it goes out, right? It's kind of neat.
Very nice.
Up and down don't do anything, but I didn't even know. I just touched it and moved. I was like, oh, ooh, wow. There's USB right there in the middle. Okay.
Very nice.
There's these touch panels in here, just like we've seen in the rest of them.
Mm-hmm.
And
touch panels all over.
Yep. And again, don't forget that the sofa is on the other side.
Yes.
Sorry about that. There's one thing that I'd love to show you if we can. Look at the ceiling in this sucker.
Isn't that beautiful?
It's all padded, but it's like little squares or diamonds or whatever you want to call it. All the way through the coach. Isn't that neat?
And I love the accent lighting behind it.
I swear the camera's not even doing a remotely good job at showing how good this looks. It's really sleek. Okay.
Maybe
anyway.
if you get closer.
No, I had to get far away because it's just hard to see.
Gotcha.
I mean, I'm up at the top, y'all. So you got a dinette. These ends pull out, right, to extend out so they can be bigger. In fact, there's a button right here. Look at that, y'all.
I think that might be extra seating.
It is. And then as soon as it comes out, I bet that pops up.
Look at that. Isn't that crazy?
And then this goes right here.
Oh my goodness, plenty
Is that
of
unreal?
seating. Yes.
And so then this would come out and extend.
Mm-hmm.
And so you now have real comfortable seating for 4, not just 2. Isn't that neat?
That is awesome.
I think we'll leave that there for people to see.
Yeah, that is awesome. I love that.
And it comes with some fake sushi for you fake sushi lovers. I wonder if the fortune cookies are real.
Ooh.
All right, so this kitchen, again, looks just like the others that we've seen, right? The woodwork color is just a little bit different, but you got your Whirlpool microwave, your Fisher-Paykel dishwasher, 70/30 sink, real tile backsplash, all the drawers pull out, dovetail construction, just a lot of the same.
Induction cooking.
Yep. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
Yes.
Okay. Big mirror, which just gives the space some more volume. And then over here on this side, you've got your refrigerator, again, residential Whirlpool. And then this will be a food pantry. Big drawers.
Oh, yeah.
And I didn't mention it, but you see these little pegs? So these are adjustable. So if you want to move this up and, you know, change out the configuration, you can absolutely do that.
Love that.
And you've got your little segregated storage down there. I'm not sure exactly what that would be for.
You could use that for like cookies,
Cookie sheets. I mean, I suppose you can put these in there, right? You got
Cans,
these
yeah,
two things that can go in
absolutely.
there.
You could put
You got
those
the covers
there.
for there that could go in there. So maybe that's what it's for.
Absolutely.
All right, then, of course, this also does have a half bath as well. And this is set up like the other one we were in. So it's facing north and south. Very comfortable for the tall and fluffy. So definitely thumbs up here. You've got nice under-counter space. This is where your toilet paper goes. Love that it's hidden. Real tile backsplash. Beautiful countertop in here. It's just absolutely stunning, right? Lighted mirror in the back here. Nice. But in it, it's beefy. And these are, I hope the sound translates through the microphones. Everything is very, very solid and beefy.
Right.
Okay? And you have some cabinetry up here, but this is just
Your
panels
electrical
and electrical
panel.
and stuff.
Yeah.
Okay? Let's not mess with that. If I touch something, I'm getting electrocuted.
Yeah, we're not going to touch that.
Again, tile that runs all the way through. And I love how they run it the long way, which helps elongate the look of the coach. And here, come here and turn around. Right? So it runs the long way, all the way from the front to the back, so it helps give the coach a longer look. All right? So here, this is an RV King for sure. All right, nice. A different type of headboard in this one compared to the others we've seen.
That's
All right.
very nice. It
Yep.
looks great with the ceiling.
And I love this little top piece up here that jets out from the back.
Oh, yeah.
That is really
I don't
sleek.
think you can tell that in the camera. There we go. Maybe you can tell now.
Look at that. That jets out, sort of giving a canopy sort of feel to the bed.
It does, doesn't
Right?
it?
Again, this is an air conditioning unit right here that's sort of built in to these little squares we were talking about. All right, across from the bed, you've got your TV, 4 of the smaller drawers like we saw in the last one, and then 6 of the really big ones. Okay, and then we get to the back. And by the way, there is a door that closes all this stuff off. We just haven't showed it yet, but there's a door. Which on this side, by the way, it's a full mirror. This is a solid wood door, y'all. I mean, it's not hollow core, solid wood, okay? Yeah, big, huge space for the toilet. This is awesome, right? Here's your closet here all the way in the back if you want to go climb up in there, Lisa.
Which I literally could take a nap in here.
You could. Nap sounds good. With the weather getting bad, it would be a good day just to retreat back to our RV and take a nap. But we're going to stay here and show you some really nice stuff today. It might be ugly outside, but it is sure nice in here. I'm not. Ooh, I wonder if we could get this off the lot.
Yeah.
All right, cool sinks. They're under counter mount, fully. It's molded. Really cool drain system here. Very chic, very high end, real
Very
tile,
nice.
right?
Yeah.
Your rear lit, right? See my fingers lighting up. There's LEDs back there.
Beautiful.
Just real neat. His and her medicine cabinets, right? These open up, right? Also, there's power in there. I forgot to mention the last one. There's a washer dryer in here. We didn't talk about it, but the washer and dryer is right here. Kind of a big hint for those new to looking at RVs, whether it's a fifth wheel or something at this level. The washer and dryer cabinets typically have slats. So that's how you know where the washer and dryer prep is or where the washer and dryer actually is. Okay, so nice big shower. Again, definitely a 2-person shower.
Absolutely.
When the bench is up, they've got it nice and decorated, so I don't want to move it. Interesting tile on the floor here.
And that nice drain again.
Yep. So I'm going to just spin around. So nice shower head. It's in a pretty. It's actually going to be a little challenging for the tall, right? Look, it's a little bit challenging, so I'm going to have to bend down a little bit to get underneath. But I would probably be hanging back here anyway. Again, it's hard with the bench down, and just angle that up for me. That's probably what I would do. But you got a hand wand right here. Absolutely beautiful. And a little shelf right there if you want to shave or whatever. You can get a little shelf for that. Okay? Well, there you go.
Beautiful.